Hello there. How are you all? Ever thought about what are the highest paying jobs in the world? And are you confused about how to pursue it / Don't worry, we have got you all covered. InfoToon has done some research for you so that you can start up now. Then let's start, and do subscribe to us. Number 1 is data scientist. Companies have a lot of disparate data that they cannot make sense of. This data can be used to get valuable insights, and data scientists help to do exactly that. Data scientists gather large amounts of structured and unstructured data and analyze them to develop valuable insights and patterns. Data scientists also have to use visual presentation techniques to make other people understand the trends and data, so they need to have presentation skills also. To become a data scientist, one can earn a bachelor's degree in any field, although science, mathematics, computer science, and engineering fields are preferred. Second, senior software developer. A senior software engineer has many different responsibilities in a company. They range from testing software for client applications, guiding junior engineers, and many more other stuffs. Whoa! Here's a good news, there are a need of these people in every industry. Third, the CEO. CEOs are responsible for determining and handling the company's corporate affairs, making crucial corporate decisions, managing resources. To become one, you should have depth knowledge about marketing, finance, taxation, and many more. On top of that, you should have various skill set. Some of these are as follows. Fourth, a surgeon. Surgeons are highly regarded medical professionals who are required to perform advanced procedures on patients. Surgeons have to go through years of education and on-the-job training to be able to operate on patients independently. To become a surgeon, one must earn a medical degree and license. They also need to specialize in the field that they want to become a surgeon in. It's not easy. Number 5 is neurosurgeon. A neurosurgeon is the highest paying jobs in the world. Neurosurgeons are specially trained to diagnose and surgically treat central and peripheral nervous system disorders. A neurosurgeon earns big bucks, but for that, he is required to do the following. 1. Should have an MBBS degree. 2. Should have PG in neurosurgery program. 3. A fellowship to specialize in one particular area. Sixth up, anesthesiologist. They are trained physicians and play a very important role within a surgical procedure, as they must ensure that the patient receives the correct type and correct dosage of anesthesia. To become an anesthesiologist, one requires a commitment of both and resources. Subjects would be likely pre-medicine, biology, or chemistry. Next is investment banker. Investment bankers are financial advisors to corporations or even governments. They have the responsibility of helping companies and other such entities to raise money for expansion and improvement. They are also needed to manage a company's initial public offering, IPO, for a company preparing to go public. To become an investment banker, one must earn a bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or marketing. Earning an MBA or CFA can vastly improve a person's chances of getting a job as an investment banker. Now, we end this video here. Thank you very much for watching our video, and do share it with your friends. If you liked this, do subscribe and leave a comment for us. Till then, sayonara.